Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to require some customer service, being on the phone, and confirming hotel reservations. The company is Hotel Engine. They have 262 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. Of course, the links to all the pages that I'm sharing are in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do ask that if you enjoy this job lead, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Also, if you know anybody who could benefit from this, if you know someone who'd be perfect for this job, share with them so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But Hotel Engine is hiring a remote member support associate. Now, Hotel Engine is a Denver-based travel tech company, so they are in the business of making travel arrangements for other people. And they're looking for somebody to work closely with all their clients, from the individuals booking the travel to the hotel suppliers, and making sure everything is just a-okay on the up and up. You'll be confirming reservations and making any reservation changes. So you're going to collaborate with members through phone, email, and chat, managing all their current reservations. You're also going to confirm with these hotels that the proper billing procedures are being followed, that the members have a seamless experience with their reservations from checking in, billing, and complete trip. You'll resolve any issues with their corporate contacts using a positive and professional tone, being meticulous about all of the details, getting it right that first time. If you have to give any clients a refund, you're going to process those refunds in a timely manner. You will be working across multiple online portals and between different operating systems, so you do have to be a multitasker. Now, a few things to note. They're hiring throughout the United States, and they are looking for somebody who can be flexible with nights and weekends. The current shift they're looking for is 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. Mountain Standard Time with 2 consecutive days off. So if you're outside of the time zone, you will have to convert your hours. If this sounds great to you, though, they're not requiring any kind of college degree, just a positive and energetic personality, someone who can be proactive, a problem solver, self-starter, and great communication skills. Now, pay is going to be $20 an hour, and on top of pay, they offer a standard benefit package that's going to include medical insurance for you, paid time off, and 401k. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.